Welcome back to the channel. Today we will review the Pixel Buds Pro. As we know, the Pixel Buds Pro is a small compact active noise cancellation earphone which also acts as a Bluetooth earpiece. The Pixel Buds Pro comes in a tiny box which contains the earbuds, charging case, 3 different size of ear tips. There is also a USB-C to USB-A charging cable and a quick startup guide. The Pixel Buds Pro comes with an active noise cancellation. It was designed with custom processor, algorithm and speaker to provide a dynamic music and audio clarity experience. Silent Seal adapt to unique ear shape and maximize the amount of noise block. When active noise cancellation is on, sensors constantly measure the pressure in the ear so that earbuds actively relieve it and stay comfortable. With the touch of the earbuds, you can select to be on full noise cancellation mode or transparency mode. Transparency mode allows you to hear the surrounding noise. Another key feature is volume EQ tuning, which adapts dynamically to your listening volume, making subtle changes to the frequency curve as you change the volume. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones, voice accelerometer, and wind blocking mesh covers. You can also use the earbuds for answering voice calls and query Google Assistant or Google Translate. As for battery life, the Pixel Buds Pro can last up to 11 hours with ANC off and up to 7 hours with ANC on. When the case is fully charged, up to 20 hours of listening time with ANC on and up to 31 hours of listening time with ANC off is possible. The Pixel Buds Pro can be charged wirelessly using Qi certified charger. Let's take a look at how you can actually install the Pixel Buds Pro. First of all, you will need to actually press the button behind the charging case and also turn on the Bluetooth on your handphone. When the phone finds the Pixel Buds Pro, click on Pair with Pixel Buds Pro. You'll be asked to, the system will prompt you to install the Google Pixel Buds application on Google Play. The app will launch and you will see this particular screen, welcome to your Pixel Buds Pro. After which, you will be prompted with the legal terms and conditions, and now you will be asked to actually check the ear tip seal. So now it will ask you to actually learn how to use the touch controls like swiping forward, swiping backwards is to raise and lower the volume, single tap, so on and so forth. And there is also the option to stay up to date. Now you can set up for Google Assistant. So basically you just follow through the steps. Over here you can allow your assistant to read your notifications to you. So you need to do some settings to your app. Once that is done, You are now at the main screen where you can do all the settings for your Pixel Buds Pro. Over here you can check the battery levels, and at Google Assistant you can actually see all the device settings and so on. You can find device. Okay, it actually prompts you for the touch controls, so it will remind you of what are the settings that you can use for active noise control. You can either turn off, set to noise cancellation or transparency mode. So this is another repeat where you can actually check your ear tip seal. So you can change the ear tip to small, medium, large. Over here you can do the firmware updates. So audio switch. So it also works for calls, and you can also set multi-point to on. So when you are playing media, your headphones can automatically switch calls to on connected devices. The Pixel Buds Pro is a pretty good active noise cancellation Bluetooth earbud for daily use. As compared to the Sony WH-1000XH, it's simpler to set up. The Pixel Buds Pro is quite a good companion when you want to filter out all the noise around you. The earbuds is also rated IPX4 and the case is rated IPX2, so it's fine with water splashes. Pixel Buds Pro is compact and can be a good replacement for your Bluetooth earpiece. Not only can you get quality voice and sound, but you also get regular updates for new features like spatial sound. This concludes our review of the Pixel Buds Pro. For pricing information, please refer to the links below. Before you leave, remember to like and subscribe to our channel.